Hi, wow, that's the first time I've spoke like words today. It is 8:02. It is almost like Christmas, Thanksgiving morning, and I just made the dough for cinnamon rolls and they are rising right now. I had to get up early to make the dough because it has to rise twice and whatever, proof, whatever. Right now I'm watching The Office and I didn't even start this video. Hi, I'm doing a Thanksgiving get ready with me because why not? And I'm going somewhere. I always go somewhere every Thanksgiving, but I have 6 hours, which is a lot. But yeah, I'm just watching The Office while the dough rises. My hair is in braids from last night. I have no idea what it looks like. I was gonna work out this morning, but I don't want to dirty my hair, like my hair. So I'll probably just won't work out today and then work out tomorrow, which is supposed to be my rest day. So today will be my rest day. It's supposed to snow today, so we might not go down the hill. It's cloudy outside right now. And yeah, of course today my face decides to break out on my forehead. I messed with the recipe and had to go out in the snow. It's snowing. What a miracle on Thanksgiving. How sweet. I messed with the recipe, so now I have to start over. All over.
What is that? Careful. So these are the cinnamon rolls. They're already proved for the second time. I just got out of the shower and my camera's dying. Hi, so I just got out of the shower, like a body shower. So like my hair's still in braids from last night because I wanted my hair to be really wavy for today. I think it's still snowing, so that's really cool. I haven't seen snow since like 2016, so that's exciting. It's currently 1:23. I'm gonna throw the cinnamon rolls in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. And I really hope my shirt fits. I haven't tried it on yet, but it's okay. I'm gonna try my polo on because I bought one yesterday and I don't know if it fits. So it looks kind of baggy, but at the same time I don't really care. So I got Air Force Ones. That's what that outfit's going with. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear black pants or what, but they're so nice. I woke up this morning and I was like, what the heck is that? I forgot I got them. Like, they're your basic Air Force Ones, but they're really nice. My timer's going off. Let's go. Throw them in. These turn out good. I'm not doing any fancy makeup. Nothing cute. Just the same old whatever. I smell so good. Someone just sent me this. I'm scared to see my hair. I'm lonely. No, you're not. Shut up. I am. I will tell him you say that.
When I'm alone.
Yes.
I can say that. I'm at home. He's not here.
Who have you been texting all day? Who have I been texting all day? No one. I don't get up in the morning and wake up to a good morning text or some heart emojis. No. In case y'all didn't know, Puma has a boyfriend. I'm lonely. I got broken up with, you know. So, I'm scared to take my hair out of these braids. I've had them in braids since last night. Oh, you can smell the cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
The timer hasn't gone off for them, right?
Yeah.
What?
You said turn off the timer.
No. It's on the oven.
Oh, no.
Okay.
You just pooped yourself.
Yeah, because they're not just for us.
That's none of my vocabulary. Maybe we could both look like trashy twins.
Well, we always do. Alright. Watch mine look good.
I would kill you. I would shave your head.
You're welcome in.
I hate you.
I did not know it was gonna come out good because it was in there for so long. It literally looks so good and it smells good. Say hi.
Okay, I'm gonna go put the shoes on.
I'm like good at this on TikTok, so I should be good at it in editing. Okay, if I just like only showed this, I'd be good.
What do you want me to do?
Fold the sleeve. Like, fold it again.
Wait.
I don't know.
Shows off arms.
The shirt is so long on me. Why do I have to be so short?
Are you sure about that? Because look at
I look stubby.
If I let it be normal, it goes like all the way down here.
Hi, I'm in Puma's room because everybody's in my room getting ready, like usual. Oh, her mirror is so dirty. My shoes are so nice. It's snowing, sort of, still. Top to this one, so that's that. And then this is the frosting, so people can put it on themselves. Can't like TikToks for some reason, it won't let me know. Again. It's literally been 6 hours.
For someone to